Student, today I discuss about the advantage and disadvantage of auto transformer. At first, look at the picture. Here I draw I1 current flow through A to C. Okay. Number of turn A to B is N1 minus N2 here. Number of turn in BC here N2. Here primary voltage applied V1 and secondary voltage is V2. So that the I2 current flow through the load and I1 minus I2 current is counteract with the I1 current. As you know, the weight of the conductor is depend upon the cross-sectional area and length of conductor. Again, the cross-sectional area of the conductor is directly proportional to the current carrying by it, and the length of the conductor is proportional to the number of turn. So the weight of conductor actually depends upon the number of turns and current flow through it. Now if you look at the picture, here I draw the winding AB carry I1 current and it has N1 minus N2 number of turn. So the weight of the winding AB is proportional to I1 into N1 minus N2. Okay. Similarly, the weight of winding BC is proportional to its current, that is I2 minus I1 into N2. So total weight of the conductor is nothing but I1 minus N1 minus N2 plus N2 into I2 minus I1. Now simplify this. That should be equal to I1 N1 plus I2 N2 minus 2 I1 N1. As you know, in case of transformer, that is the primary MMF is equal to the secondary MMF. So here I1 N1 equal to I2 N2. In place of I2 N2, we put I1 N1 here. Okay, so that the equation is equal to 2 I1 minus 2 I1 N2, that is proportional to 2 into I1 N1 minus N2. Okay. Now if you are to consider a simple two winding transformer that have primary voltage V1 and secondary voltage V2, again the primary current and secondary current is I1 I2. So total weight should be I1 plus I1 N1 plus I2 N2. As you know, primary MMF is equal to the secondary MMF, so it should be proportional to 2 I1 into N1. Now the weight of conductor in auto transformer divided by the weight of conductor in two winding transformer is very simple, that is 2 I1 into N1 minus N2 divided by 2 I1 N1. So here 2 I1 is cancelled out, so that the equation equal to 1 minus N2 by N1. So N2 by N1 we are already known about that, that is equal to K. So weight of conductor in auto transformer to the weight of the conductor in two winding transformer is equal to 1 minus K. Now simplifying this equation, very simple, that is the weight of two winding minus weight of conductor in auto transformer is equal to K into conductor weight of two winding transformer. Okay, very simple, this is very simple, that is this equation, you have to remember this equation, that is the weight of two winding transformer conductor minus weight of conductor in auto transformer, that is actually the saving weight, that is the saving weight is equal to K into conductor weight of two winding transformer. Now it is very simple, from this equation we conclude that is reduction of conductor and core material, so that the ohmic loss in core is lower as compared to two winding transformer, so that the efficiency of auto transformer is high compared to the two winding transformer of same output. Now as you know, in case of auto transformer, that is some part of winding here common both primary and secondary. Again I say some part of winding is common both primary and secondary winding. Okay, so that the leakage flux and the leakage reactance is less, and as it is less, leakage impedance is also lower value rather than two winding transformer. So we simply conclude that the auto transformer have better voltage regulation compared to two winding transformer of same output. Now the disadvantage of the auto transformer. The main disadvantage of auto transformer is due to the direct electric connection between low tension and high tension. If the primary is supplied at high voltage, then the open circuit is common winding would result a high voltage in low voltage side. So this high voltage can be dangerous for a person that work on it, so that you have to give the suitable protection. Okay, again the short circuit current must be higher as comparison to the two winding transformer. So thank you. If you have any query, please contact me.